of you here this morning. As the president of American Children's Home, it is my privilege to welcome you and thank you for joining us this morning. My name's Regina Keener, and we are so excited to be here to break ground for our new waterline replacement project. It's been over 6 years that some of us have been working on this day to be here, and our over 100-year-old water line has served us well, but it's time for a new one. This new system will provide clean and reliable water for our children and staff for decades to come. I want to thank all those who have made this possible, our past and present dedicated ACH team, which includes our past president, Kat Barrier, and our board members, including our board chairman, Paul Holland, and our incredible community partners. We are deeply grateful to the Eddie and Joe Allison Smith Family Foundation for their generous support, which has made this project possible. And we're pleased to have developed new partnerships with Gen Con and Dirt Ops, who will be leading this work forward. It's a joy to see all of you this morning for this special day. And now it's my pleasure to introduce our Development Director, Jeff Bays, who will share more about the partnership and support for this project.
Thank you, Regina. Good morning. I'd like to begin by expressing my deepest gratitude to the Eddie and Joe Allison Smith Foundation for making this project possible and their extraordinary generosity. Their belief in our mission and their investment in this is critical. They will have a lasting impact on our home. Representing the Smith family today is Joellen Edwards. Thank you so much, Joellen, for coming out and spending time with us. She is a lifetime friend and supporter of the American Children's Home. I also like to recognize the general contractor, Elijah Baker from Gen Con, who has been an invaluable partner in planning and preparing for this replacement. And then also Crystal and Andrew Wireman from Dirt Ops. And especially to our staff, maintenance team, and board members. Thank you for your patience, persistence, and shared commitment to keeping this home safe and strong for our children. With that, I am honored to introduce Randy Young. He has guided the technical side of this project from day one. Randy?
Thank you, Jeff. This water line has been here for a century. It said almost century. I'm saying century. And while it served us well, it has also caused plenty of challenges in recent years. We've known for a long time that full replacement was essential to the safety and reliability of this property. The project represents teamwork at its best. Staff, board, donors, and partners all coming together. I especially want to recognize people in the community who have kept our water flowing while we prepared for this replacement line. And that would be the City of Lexington Water Department. Without them, we would still not be here. We are proud to be working with Gen Con, who will help complete this work, and Dirt Ops, working with them. Once finished, we will have a modern, durable system that ensures our children and staff always have a safe, dependable water. Something so simple, but yet so vital. Now I want to introduce Kat Barrier, our former president.
Thank you, Randy. Looking back, it's remarkable to see how far we've come. This project began as an idea years ago, and through persistence and teamwork, we've arrived at this moment. I'm deeply proud of everyone who refused to give up, and grateful to see a new generation carry this work forward. This groundbreaking isn't just about infrastructure. It's a symbol of the care and stewardship that defines this home. And once again, I'm grateful to Eddie Smith Jr. and his commitment to fund this project in totality, as well as the State Council of the Junior Order who contributed as well. Thank you all for your belief in this home.
Thank you to all of our speakers and to all of you for taking time out of your morning to be with us. At this time, the four of us are going to grab a shovel and we invite our board chair, Paul Holland, to join us. Joellen, if you'll please join us. Also, Gen Con and Dirt Ops reps, if you'll join us, and we'll have the turning of the first soil that's going to open us up to this new century and our new water supply.